Hey guys, my name is Thana and welcome to my channel. I am now in Balakong, and why am I in Balakong? Well, I'm in Balakong to see a friend of mine, a friend that's become a close friend of mine because of this is where I go to service my car. And as you can see, that's him coming.
Hi.
That's Gary actually, coming with a customer car. So this is Quattro Zone. This is where I am to do my car service, and this is actually a pretty cool place to come to because they are an Audi specialist. So it's a pretty fun place to come and see all the cars he has wrapped up. Over here we see we have a Maserati, or we have the infamous Revo tuned Golf GTI. A lot more inside there. That's a RS6. You know it's a RS6 because look at those tires, look at those lights. Oh, beautiful. Hey Gary,
Yeah,
how are you?
fine. Fine. Just start your bullet, sir.
Okay,
I got it.
okay. So I came to Gary's place and I saw met Eric here. Hi Eric, how are you? And this is Eric's car. This is a Gran Turismo Maserati.
Maserati
V8.
Gran Turismo V8 and it's a MC Sport.
And was telling me
MC.
why he bought the Maserati than a Ferrari. Think about this, the Ferrari isn't a luxurious car.
Precisely.
The interior is crap. Interior is like very minimalistic, very
Correct.
basic, you know. But this is luxurious, you know.
This is more like the executive.
Executive,
kind of,
nice
correct.
drive, you know. The engine in the front, so it's easy to repair on. It's not like a Ferrari, like a clutch is gone, must take out the whole engine out and then
Yeah,
spend
correct.
how much is it? Like 30k for
What
a
do you
clutch
mean?
job.
For the clutch job. For this car, I don't think that.
No, this car is kind of, for the Ferrari it's like a 30,
Yeah, 20 to 30k.
20 to 30k job for a Ferrari. So the Maserati, all the people say like, Maserati, yeah, but actually this is actually a baby Ferrari, isn't it?
It's
But think about it,
more like a DNA Ferrari DNA.
the engine DNA is from
Yeah,
Ferrari.
correct. Because they are from the same factory, I guess. From Modena.
So how long you had this Maserati?
I just bought it like for 6 months before the MCO.
Wow!
I just
Free
got it.
installment!
Yeah, precisely.
Bang on! See now, all those guys, even the guy, the guy that can, to say, poor guy, poor people, pay cash, rich people. He is very rich because he never paid an
No,
installment.
I'm not rich. I'm not rich. I have to highlight this. I'm not rich.
Wow, nice man.
So
Very nice.
take a look of the
Can.
interior.
Wow, look at that. See. Okay, see man. See, look at that. That is luxury, man. And a proper spec seat.
Yeah, that's
See,
like-
see, even Bobby's car, the Aston Martin, the back seat is not very spacious, you know.
Yeah, you still can put
This
my
is
luggage there.
this is very spacious.
It's very comfortable. It's full.
Oh
Oh
my-
my! Sport car. It's very comfortable inside.
The plushness of the seat, it's amazing, huh?
It's almost like a RS8. I could say that. I would
Actually,
say that.
yeah, exactly, because it's a full seat. It is not like the plus two. It's an actual two-seater in the back.
Right, precisely.
It's amazing, and I love the top lah, the black.
Alcantara.
Are
Because when I bought this car, it was the red and black toning.
you serious? You did the whole?
Yeah, I did it. Once
Wow.
I bought the car, I go and refurbish. I would say refurbish. I did it at Carzone. Yeah.
Yeah, Kazun was fantastic, huh?
Yeah. He's coming over later.
I've seen their work, man. Fantastic.
Yeah, I bring my car to Carzone, then he do the whole refurbishment things.
So what? They did the whole the steering,
steering.
the pillar.
The seats, the roof lining, everything. I changed all to brand new. There's the
Man,
Alcantara. This one
you
is-
see, like you buy
car.
not a new car, but you do up the interior nicely, the car is basically brand new, lah.
Yeah, correct. This is what he told me.
The feel you get, is
This is what he told me.
amazing, man.
Before this, the car was red, so
Hmm.
I went for a wrap.
This is a wrap,
This is a wrap.
Yeah, I can see it here.
Yeah, this is a wrap.
Nice,
It
nice.
was originally red.
I think this is better. Looks more modern.
It's the
In this
Rosa
colour.
Rosa, I think so. The
Yeah.
the original color.
The Maserati shouldn't try to be like a Ferrari. It should be different. You know? Nice.
You want to have a look?
Yeah, can you do the engine?
Yeah. Wait. Let me figure out how to open the hood.
Figure out Wow.
I rarely open the hood. Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I can do this. So normally Ferraris, you go here and slide to the left. Same as Ferrari? Yeah.
That is yeah.
Okay.
Ta-da.
So it is, latch is over here. Oh, it's different. Okay. Look at that. Oh. Beautiful V8 Man. This is really Ferrari DNA lah. The sound or the power?
It's
which one do you like
exactly
more?
the same. To me, it's like almost the same.
Oh.
But the power-wise, I would say that the Ferrari is much more lighter and faster. If you 0 to 100, definitely the Ferrari will be faster.
From what I hear, the Maserati's exhaust has been tuned down so that it doesn't compete with Ferrari.
Correct.
So they make sure the sound is not as good as Ferrari.
Yeah.
But people buy aftermarket exhaust and put on the Maserati, and it sounds.
Mine is like a stock. Mine is a stock exhaust, and it sounds really good to me. Honest to me, I think it's really enough lah.
It's a balance lah.
For old people like me, I think it's already enough.
Old people lah. If he old lah, I don't know what do you call me lah.
But this car Maserati doesn't build it to compete with the Ferrari, because I think this is more like a Gran Turismo, Gran Tourer. It's more like Aston Martin, the DB9. There's those kind of the performance lah. I would say that.
I think the GT market is a good market to be in because you know why? Not always you're going to speed. Not always you're going to do the genting track. Not always you're going to do the track. You know, more often not you're going to do the KL Penang, Ipoh drive whatever, cruise and go for makan, Kajang whatever. Truck stuck in traffic, but only one person, 2 person in the car only.
I would say that this car is very comfortable when you had a very long drive. Yeah, it's very comfortable. You can easily fit 4 people into this car, and it's very spacious. Yeah. Do you want to hear?
Can you hear the engine? Yeah.
No.
Definitely.
Take a listen.
Take a listen to the V8 engine.
Of these beautiful, glorious V8s.
Glorious V8. Look how amazingly balanced our car is. So balanced, so smooth. So smooth, man. Woo! And then exhaust is stock? Let's have a look and see. Nice, man. I mean, think about it, for the package you pay, fantastic exhaust, fantastic engine, spacious. How much is it by the way now?
Value for money, like 300,000 for a used one.
Fantastic value.
Depends on which year made you're looking at. I think you can get it on the market. This one is the 4.7 liter V8 Maserati Gran Turismo.
Poison lah.
Huh?
Poison lah.
You should get one. You should get one. Sell your assets and get one.
Bobby, no, this one outside sentimental lah. Bobby asked me to get the Panamera. So I'm looking at the Panamera like, Panamera is really quite nice because I'm more like an older executive person.
More like those CEO car. Panamera is more
so
suitable.
Panamera suits me.
Yeah, correct.
But this
the
is
reason why I'm getting this Maserati for the same reason. I wanted to have a supercar whereby it doesn't look like it sits comfortably for me to have a long drive because I travel a lot. So I wish to have a car that can give me those supercar, those kind of feels, but you can at the same time enjoy the drive comfortably.
I think you are spot on lah. I think you're spot on.
Yeah.
The spot on the fact you got the
This
car.
is the perfect car for me lah.
You got the correct color. You got the correct interior. You went to car zone and did the whole interior. You know, it's fantastic. So beautiful lah. The choice of color. The fella good lah.
The color was red. So by the time car zone they did this.
Correct. I've seen the red. Very gaudy, yeah.
Yeah.
Like as if like, oh my god.
So when I haven't tell him that I'm going to change my car to blue, so they did all the stitching, the interior, the color, beige and the blue logo. So by the time the car was finished, the wrap is undone. So they look at the cars like, hey, how come so many colors like the blue? Right? Then only I tell them, oh, I'm going to change the color to blue.
Okay.
So it makes sense.
Yeah.
It makes sense. And even the seat belt, I make it to yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
Yeah. Nice touch.
So the calipers, everything are in yellow.
I saw that. Nice man, nice.
So I like the caliper.
Eric, you have good taste. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
See, when Pininfarina made the design of the Maserati, I think they weren't tied down to the Ferrari limitations, and they made the best they could do. So maybe this is a better looking Ferrari. So, what do you think?
We remove the
Supercharger from what? S5 ah?
Yeah, S5.
S5. So you took out the pulley and you're putting a new one in lah. Shit, man. So what, when this comes out, becomes big enough, then you can just whack it inside lah.
Yeah, one.
Wow.